I am Bibhash Ranjan, an IFS officer of 1989 batch, UP Cotton, looking after the projects part of the states, and I am also mission director of the state bamboo mission, and I was the mission director of the special plantations drive took place last month.
So how was your experience with NDIM today?
It was a good interaction, and it was a good opportunity to me also to interact with the new managers who are going to field, who will go in the future. It seems that they should be more exposed on the nature management also, because at fag end of their life, everybody will be on the hem of the affairs in any of the industries. So making them sensitive towards nature is very important. And if the top managements become sensitive, so it's easy for the natural management. And it is the need of the time now.
So what was the vision in mind?
The total population of the state was 22 crores. The Honorable Chief Minister had a dream. Why can't each and every individual plant a tree in a day? That is why from the where philosophy came, 22 crore plantations in a day. It was a very, very new philosophy. It was a challenge to us also, but we successfully, categorically, slowly achieved the mission in a very smooth way.
So sir, how do you think that it will help the upcoming students and the India's youth to participate and to get job opportunities in this field?
It's a new arena altogether for the managers, for the would-be graduates who's doing the management. See, all the industries nowadays in globe tends to do some infrastructure, machines, tools, innovations, techniques, but none of the industries come forward to assist the natural management, nature's management. Exposing in this arena, I believe, they might be in a deep sense of thinking that our existence is based completely on the nature. Once this philosophy comes in mind, what every time I likely to say that today we have a bottled water, tomorrow we have a bottled oxygen. We'll have to carry two bottles, one for oxygen, one for water. This is the time we can stop using the bottles. If we want to move both the hand free, then time has come that the many people, I feel the NDIM graduates must join in the green move. How this move can be made to everybody's move. This is the challenges for all the industries, because CSR is also one of the part, but all industries take part in this. So there is the challenges, there are the scopes, and there is the area. There are the areas where the management graduates can be roped in.
So sir, how would you associate yourself with NDIM for future endeavors?
I would love to come each time and try to know how many I created a green managers. I would love to see.
Thank you, sir.